You doing the victory dance? You ready for your next match? Cook, play again. Good. You did it. You ready? Oh, you're fighting Marco this time. Press the button. Done. Good.
Round one.
No, don't hit the ottoman. Do it to the air. Don't hit the couch. Just do it to the air, please. Good job. Oh my gosh, you're really punching this guy in the face. What is this game? What's this game?
Punching.
Punching? Is that what it's called? That's the name of the sport?
No, it's boxing.
Oh. Don't hit the couch with the controllers. All right, good round. Any comments about that round?